Okay, so Tice, this is the new version of our program. Obviously, it's not Google, but I've sent you a link on Facebook, so I'll just paste that there. So you go to the link. This is the Dropbox site. Go to that, and then you need this whole folder called cutpoints app. So you can click on that, download download, and it might give you a warning because it's a zip file. So if it does that, probably just open it with Internet Explorer. I think that's a bit more friendly, but it might throw a spaz at me here. Okay, so if I just wait a second for that. Well, it's pretty big. Shouldn't be that big. Okay, so let's have a look in downloads. Recover. Hurt me plenty. So it's just saying that because it's a zip file containing an exe file, so it's a bit like that. So I open it up, and then we have cut points app. So I just copy this somewhere. I'm just copying it to my desktop. I've already got it on my desktop. Blah de blah. Okay, so you need all these files, and the reason it's slightly different this time is because we've got it doing some file input output stuff, so it's saving and it's reading files. So if you open that up and there's cutpointeditor.exe, double click on that and you can just copy this to your USB or whatever. Piss off. Okay, there we go. So that should all be good. You should be able to run this on your XP machine from USB, all good. Okay, so you'll notice a few minor differences. A nice little title. We can change that and all that. We're on version 0.2, blah blah blah. So we've got these little disk buttons here and a little dogs button here. The dogs is still underway. So instead of just copying and pasting the text, now we can go click on there and find our codes. So let's just say we'll get that one you downloaded for me onto Facebook. So this one here, and it'll just look for text files. So if it's a file that's not a text file, it won't find it. Press go, and this works just as it did previously. Yep. Okay, so you should be able to now click on this little dogs button. It's not exactly working how we want. We'll have all these little labels as to what it does and whatnot, but basically it's just I'm not sure exactly what it's supposed to do, but basically I got at the moment translating these found codes which we define in our file that we are looking at earlier, and puts them into this little dog diagram sort of. So this is obviously a work in progress. All this still should work, so if I piss off these two and go dogs, it'll only show the ones that are there. So it's still, this all works in conjunction with one another, and hopefully I'm going to put like a little save image or something like that there and have a title, all that stuff. Okay, so now we're there. Anyway, so we can go there, and now I've got another little disk button down the bottom here, and what we do with that is just click on that, and that saves as results.doc. So you can change the name, you can call it whatever you want. Obviously if you keep calling it the same thing, it's going to overwrite, so I'll just put that on the desktop. File saved. Okay, so I can close out of that. And there we have it there. Double click on there, and fingers crossed, I'll open up Word. If you don't have Word, it should open up your equivalent of Word, so whatever it has, and there we have that file with the formatting that we've put into it. Okay, so cut points app. Okay, so remember we need this folder, we need all this structure, and this little codes file is still the same. Right click and edit, and then we just add or remove code to include or remove ones as we did before. Alright, enjoy, give us your feedback, and I'll chat to you soon. Peace.